Okay, on to question 14. What are the 5 types of chemical reactions? So this is a good question. Let me just have a little title. So there are 5 main types. Let me make them in different colors. One of the main ones would be considered like a combination reaction. So this is when you would have, let's say, element A plus element B come together to form element AB. Okay, so this is the simplest combination reaction that you could have. The second type of chemical reaction would be decomposition reaction. So this is, you can think of it as the opposite of a combination reaction. This is when you start off with a compound, AB, and its products are the elements coming apart to form A plus B. You could have a single displacement reaction. So it can also go by replacement. Displacement slash replacement reaction. So this is when you would have at least 3 elements involved. So let's say you had AB plus C. Basically, the C would swap out with one of the elements, and you end up getting AC plus B. So similarly, there's also something called a double displacement reaction. So as you can guess, it is similar to single displacement, except this time there are 4 elements that are involved. So let's say we had AB plus CD. When you have a double displacement reaction, then 2 elements will switch places with the other 2, if that makes sense. So instead of AB, it got switched up and made AD plus BC. So you can imagine like the intermediate of this reaction to just be all of the ions like separated and then coming together with the opposite element. And the last type of chemical reaction is just simply called a combustion reaction. So combustion reactions are pretty easy to identify. That's because they always have like a hydrocarbon group. It doesn't matter the type, so I'm just going to say like X and Y. and this hydrocarbon is exposed to oxygen. So oxygen would be one of the reactants, and the products will always form carbon dioxide and water. So depending on which hydrocarbon you start at, you would need to balance out however many carbon dioxides and however many waters to balance out all the carbons and hydrogens in the equation. Okay, so these are the 5 types of chemical reactions. Let's see what the junior tutor said. Types of chemical reactions are as follows. Combination/synthesis, A plus B makes AB. Decomposition, AB makes A plus B. Single displacement, AB plus C makes AC plus B. Double displacement is AB plus CD makes AD plus BC. And lastly, combustion, CH plus O2 makes carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, so this solution is correct.